different when you're at slow speed. You have to go in reverse. Don't go too fast in reverse. Oh, you might be alright. You might be alright, dude.
Yeah, I did that perfect.
Still motor.
Not my fault. It's my first rodeo, but I think we do it.
Try to keep the light. And yeah, stepping on the seat helps. Good time, dude.
I need a pee. Super bad. So if I go take this real quick.
But everybody knows who this guy is. Come on, man.
Yeah, Stevie Joe cheat. I don't wanna argue. When come to start, a whole bunch of people, some vegans. With acting retarded, here they come all, a whole bunch of lying and scheming. Enough with the drama, him and Obama went at the Trump to impeach him. Who you think funding Antifa? Hey, you know you're wrong for that, right? Ain't nobody vote for that guy. Got even the news confused, cause nothing they told you is right. I got hairy legs and I like kids on my left. If you don't vote for me, you ain't black. Why can't you face the reality? Don't understand that mentality. How many million Americans want Trump? We Trump tight. You can think the cold moves back in Trump. Oh yeah, but you tried. Listen, we did not vote for no socialism or no mandatory vaccines. The people did not vote to shut the country back and to surrender all of our dreams. And who the fuck voted for censorship? I couldn't say all that, not mention this. Explaining what the First Amendment is, but that's not important because you're sensitive. I can't do it. They ain't have enough votes to win and they knew it. And since they can't beat them, I guess they gon' cheat them. I trust that elections officially ruined. And who is the media really controlled by? Taking grass to the wrong guy. On the TV and online, they be all lies. While the whole United States is all tight. How could you fail? How many dead people voted by mail? How many black people you keep in jail? How many ballots end up in the dumpster? Coming from houses that's repping the Trumpsters. Whoa! Only winner was a fair fight, and little one-on-one, and keep it clean, that's a rare sight, man. You don't think it should have get right, it's evident. Try to say without hesitation, that that man got 9 million more votes than the first black president, you ain't gotta question it. They rigged the election.
I know you cheated, yeah. I know you cheated, yeah. I know you cheated, yeah. I know it, I know it. Joe Biden cheated, yeah. Joe Biden cheated.
Oh, almost perfect.
Can you reach
Yeah. 1 second. We're good. Yep. Oh, we're good. Go. Maybe. Let me see. 1 second. Back up just a hair.
Yeah, we need to move over a little bit more.
Yeah. One second. Go ahead. That should be good.
Did you go back more?
A little bit. Do it. All right, you're good. All right, go ahead. Damn. It should be good. Yeah, we're good. Go ahead.
Did you lift this up and put it on here? Or did you hit it with the button?
I hit it with the button.
All right. You killed the volume on the radio?
No, I didn't push the radio.
Oh, I bet it tried to log into my car. The what? Sound it? up here and get the bags and the. In. Even when it rolled a little bit on me. We were having pretty crazy to do that. So, man, I didn't put it over there. Take out and clean it. I know. It's this one that it's not easy because it's not bolted down. Okay, we'll get one on first. Maybe. And the clothes they're still out. For fuck's sake, why didn't we have that a long time ago? That side's not going to do it, man. Oh. Yeah, I heard it. Why you going to lay him down? I didn't have that side open. I hope it goes back together. Someone's going to beat up. It looks like it's going to move. But when I do it, I want to staple the bottoms and all that shit and get it all cleaned up. But at least you can see what it looks like. What, do you want a picture of them once they're done? And you just do it like that. And you like, see the two feet fold out. I have a dead line. Fucking stitching. How you doing after that? What? Yeah. That's usually you fix it. And that one's not all the way up. Oh, so I think. Hold it this side. From the bottom. Well, you just had one undone. That's what we're calling it. Two makes it a done. Through the road. $20. Yes. Now I gotta find out what I did on my camera.
It's in the back here.
You seen it back here?
I've seen it back here.